here for this black bottles. I'm gonna do on this one and see how this one is. Oh, this is so stunning. I'm gonna apply all. Great. Here for 30 seconds. Thank you, Ali. Ali just be here. She did amazing. She did amazing like design today, like Mickey Mouse with crystal, like ruby rose. Really impressive. Mika was here and seeing her did it. It's so excited. So different from what we were always seeing. Right? Is that chanfle foil or what do you mean? Rave about nails. The black one is super elegant. Yes, I think I like this black, but this is one like 2 out of 20 of them, I believe. Great, so let me place this one on. Hold on. Can you see on Facebook and Instagram?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I'm using my really cool, stunning pointed tweezer. Dual end tweezer. This has the rubbers on the edges. You can do this with your stickers as well. So it's really stunning. And on. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I get it all good. I close on the tips because I don't want. If you don't want to rub with your hand, you feel free to get a piece of your papers and rub it. Aha, it's come right off. Just a little bit right here. You can all lay it back up. Hold on, why it looks so bright though? Can you see that?
Yeah, because the background is a little dark. So you want to stick your hand underneath.
There you go. You see it better now? It looks so bright. Okay. Hold on. All right, so it's gonna be fun. I am going to, I don't know, whatever colors you like. I like both of them, this and black and pink. So maybe I'll do pink so matching with my chanfle foil. And there are the cool silver and gold. Hi Sarah, how are you? All right, so it's really cool. Let me play with this a little bit because I have this one. It's newest on the way. You will see it shortly. I'm gonna use, see which one I'm gonna use. Maybe this one fit. Doesn't matter. If the clients, for instance, here is the nails different from a lot of things that we've done This is for the clients who like, okay, I don't want any crystals, anything else, just that. Ali, sit there. Sit there. See, I'm gonna run in a couple strips on the side, see how it turned out with me. If you want to lay them like them, blend it together, you can. Or if you don't want to use a strip like this, you absolutely can use your chamfer foil and apply this and using gold foil. I'm gonna hold this. There you go. Easier to do on the real nails. Cool. This I am sharing with you just in case that your clients don't want to have any crystals on, but they love to have the designer on. It's gonna be fun to do with. I think it looks cute. And after that, you just only need to do is condensed glue gel, one layer, and then top coat. But if you change your mind, you want some crystal on, I think you can. Should I put some crystal on or just leave it alone? What do you think? Leave it alone? Or look at Chanfer, like he said, like you will.
Nuna said,
Leave it alone.
this is for clients who want something cute but not too much bling bling.
Yes, it's no bling at all if for them. Thank you, Sarah.
Oh, everyone's saying crystals.
Hey, bye, Mika. I just make sure I don't miss anyone. I don't miss anyone that I say hello. Okay, so great. I just need to do in condensed glue gels. It's too bling bling on that, so I don't know if it distracts or not, but it looks cool. Condensed glue gels. And again, if the client still want to do some crystal, you can still able to do that after condensed glue gels and no wipe top coat. Where are my tinted brush? Thank you. Oh, I'm being processed of organized again, everyone. If Ali were here and said, oh yeah, been organize it again, so all my crystals. I'm gonna show you again how I organize my crystals and all the different accessory soon, hopefully by tomorrow or Monday. I'm gonna show you how to really easy organize them without as next is gonna be top coat. I think I touched something on it. And after you're done with top coat and you just clear, if the clients don't want any crystal, then you'll be done. or should I put any crystals on it? Maybe. If you want, here's what you only need to put it on. I think just tiny little. That's all. But it's gonna take away from yours, so you have to really think that you want to do it or not. I just put it in just, but you probably might not like it. Just give it some idea. Or maybe I can do it outside. So keep it the design there, you know? What do you think? Here you go. We've been thinking a lot for all of you, and then that's why it took us so long. I said, what we're gonna do today? We have so many different ideas, 1,000 ideas, and we can only have one life a day. So we have more. Okay, so if you like it, then that's it. You just like hear it. But if, let's see, hey, I have something cool I'm gonna tell you. You can just put it like halo along with the cuticles area. So for clients don't want too much crystal, can still doing it. Or if you have a client don't want crystal or anything at all, then just key it. Go ahead and key it. But even like the clients like between, I want some, but I don't want too much. So you have all the options like for different clienteles. I don't know if you have it, but I do have the clients like that. I want, but I don't want too much. Okay, good. Here for 60 seconds. Thank you, Ali. She's like here enjoying it. So don't do this like the cap for the tips of tweezer. You have to feel yourself. This one is really cool and heavy, really sturdy, and it's amazing. It's so pointed. It's like detail that I'm so happy. Today I'm gonna play with this all day with picking up my sticker on butterflies. And the other one's gonna be done shortly. We're gonna check if we need a precision glue, but this going on to this one. It's gonna be cool if I can get the right spot.
Gotta face a bit higher.
Yeah, higher. Right there.
Do you count the crystals?
This section.
I do. If I do for the clients like 2 rings finger, I do definitely count the crystal. Like if I would do 7 crystal on 1 rings finger, then I'll count the other. It's only on halos. Like, but this one I have it on my nails. I do not count it unless you want. You can, because it's going along a different with the marble look. But you can definitely count to mix how many you want. Like this one, like 7 or 8 or whatever it is. I don't know if it's 7 or 8, but it's just like along with this. It dry already. I just need to do my precision glue gels. It's open. The top part is gonna take you right to the needles. We just need to squeeze a little bit. First, you're gonna like give some exam quick. It's only do it when you feel scratchy. And oh, thank you, Ali. Okay, get in the way. And using a twin tip brush, I am going to give it a quick swipe right there to blend that the extras precision glue. So when after I key, it's gonna look nice and flawless. All right. Here for 60 seconds, and this nail will be done.